Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. And then we can wash you up without losing any soap. Look at the kitty cat looking at you in the bubbles. Look at kitty cat looking at you with all the bubbles. There you go, bubbles on your head. You got bubbles on your head. I'm always putting more bubbles on your head. We used to dress up with the bubbles. What do you think? Pretty cool, huh? You like the bubbles? You like the bubbles? Yeah, you love bubbles. Mommy's going to have to remember she got to add bubbles to your water for you to have a good bath. No more plain water for me, Mom.
Hi, everybody. I like bubbles.
Bubbles, 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 bubbles. Don't get your phone too close. It'll end up in the water.